Hello and welcome back to Autocad tutorials. In today's session we are going to learn about trim and extend command. So let us start with our video. I will take fence to erase it quickly. Now let us see what extend does. So command for extend is ex enter. Now you have to select an boundary till which your object will be extended. For example, I am selecting this circle as my boundary. Now I will select enter. Now first we have an option of here edge. First set this to extend mode, then only your extend command will work. I have set this to extend mode. Now I will select my lines. So it is extending the lines till that boundary. And again we have same options, fence, crossing and undo. So I hope you are clear how to use extend and trim option. The rest of the options are same over here, fence, crossing, project, edge and undo. Undo will erase the latest thing which you have done. You can use extend for trimming the objects as well. For example, I am taking extend. I specified a boundary for it and now I will press shift for enter. Now I will press shift and click the lines, so it will start trimming the objects. And also you can extend by using trim command in same way. Now I'm taking trim, I'm defining a boundary, press enter. Now I will press and hold shift key, and you can see trim command has started extending my lines. So you can use both trim and extend in reverse way as well. So thanks for watching this video, and please do like and subscribe if you like this video.